Got a news alert here on Ford, the company making a new offer to the UAW. Phil LeBeau's on the fast line with the details. Phil.
And Melissa, this offer was actually made Monday night, and this is the seventh offer that Ford has made to the UAW. Remember, the UAW had made an offer a previous Monday, so not this week, the week before. Ford is now answering that offer with this one. Some of the details they're not going into at this point, but they have said that they have increased their overall wage offer. It is north of 20%. Exactly how much, the company is not saying at this point, including a double-digit increase right off the bat for the UAW members. Also includes cost of living adjustment, a reduction in the wage progression. It used to be from 8 steps down to 4. Now they're saying it's greater than 8 to 4, whether it's 8 to 3 or 8 to 2. But the number of wage progressions has been reduced. No tiers for new hires for the UAW. And from Ford's perspective, this is the kind of offer that it believes can move the needle. Now, does this get a deal done? Way too early to say. But certainly, Melissa, this is a step in the right direction in terms of Ford and the UAW now having a new base of which they can start negotiations or continue negotiations, I should say. And again, this is the seventh offer from Ford and an increase in the wage north of 20%. Not saying exactly how far north, but it is north of 20%. Melissa?
But this significantly would close the gap, theoretically. I mean, if it's north of 20%, then you have double-digit cost of living adjustments. That brings you up to 30, and that's close to what the UAW is, or much closer, at least, to the 40% UAW is asking for.
Well, in theory, if you want to see the UAW calculating it that way, you are correct. The significance here is that, look, there was a real breakdown in terms of the communication between Ford and the UAW last week, and that was it showed up clear on Friday in terms of the comments from UAW President Shawn Fain. He had essentially said that Jim Farley, CEO of Ford, was lying about the state of negotiations. Ford held a press briefing with Jim Farley and the top executives saying, voicing their frustration at the way that the talks have been handled by the UAW. So now you have a new offer from Ford. Now, is that wage offer and the cost of living adjustment and the other offers that are also in there, including taking temps up to $20, $21 an hour? I don't know the exact number there, but, starting previously they were lower than that. All of that, you put that together, is that enough to get the ball across the goal line? Hard to say at this point, but a step in the right direction.